Hello, students. This is a class for BA Part 3, and we will be reading The Man in Black today. And I am going to tell you the critical summary of this essay by Oliver Goldsmith. Oliver Goldsmith was originally Irish writer, and he studied medicine in Edinburgh, and ultimately he reached in London in 1756. Uh, he gradually became a, a close associate with Samuel Johnson, and he came to be known. He became very famous in the literary circle of England, and he was one of the original members of the club. The club is an association in the times of Samuel Johnson, and it was very, very famous. His famous literary works include Travellers, which is a collection of poems, The Vicar of Wakefield is a novel, and She Stoops to Conquer is a comedy, a play, which is very famous in literary circle. And he was very good friend of Dr. Johnson, and uh, there is a critic named Garrick who has written in a very beautiful manner about Goldsmith that he wrote like an angel. Now, if we come to the critical summary of this essay, uh, The Man in Black, we can say that Man in Black is basically a pen portrait of a man who had some strange inconsistencies in his character, and he was a great humorist. Humorist does not refer to a man who is uh, fond of comedy or who makes comedy. Humorist means एक humor से बना है. Humor means सनक. So he had a certain tendency, you can say. He has a particular idiosyncrasy, you can say. He pretended, सनक क्या है वो देखिए. He pretended to hate uh, the people who used to help or who were philanthropic, जो दूसरों की मदद करते हैं वो philanthrope कहलाते हैं. तो he used to dislike, or he pretended that he disliked people who are philanthropic, but actually he himself was very generous, and he used to help everyone that came in contact with him and who seemed to be in need. And in this essay, he says that this man in black, actually, he wore black dress, therefore, uh, the author does not disclose his name, he gives him the name, the man in black. So, the man in black was one of Goldsmith's intimate friends. He was very kind hearted and had very good manners. He had some very strange and opposite qualities in his character. He was generous, but he pretended to be economical. He said that he hated men, but actually he had great love for mankind. Generally, people boast of their kindness when they are kind in reality, but the man in black, this particular man, was very different. He was ashamed of his generosity and always tried to hide it. And uh, in this essay, Goldsmith delineates a day on which he was on an excursion. Excursion कहते हैं एक यात्रा. They were together into a countryside. During the journey, the man in black talked about the nuisance created by beggars. He criticized beggars, and he said that England had made very good arrangements for the poor person. There were poor houses in every parish. There they could get food, clothes, and shelter, yet they were dissatisfied. They go from place to place and beg. In his opinion, they should be arrested by the magistrate and sent to prisons. They were a great burden on society. Those who helped them actually encouraged idleness in society. This should not be done. And when they were going away, they met an old man. He wore torn clothes. The clothes were, although torn, they looked very fine. The old man asked them for help. He said that he was not ordinary beggar. He was forced by his circumstances to beg. Okay. He was begging because of his dying wife and five hungry children. Goldsmith did not believe him. But the man in black was moved to pity. He wanted to help the old man, but at the same time, he did not want the author to know that he was helping him. And our author Goldsmith noted this, and therefore he pretended to look at somewhere else. The man in black found opportunity, and at once he gave old man a silver coin. In order to show that he had not helped the old man, he continued telling him in an angry tone that begging was bad and that he should work for his bread. They continued their journey. Soon they met a sailor with a wooden leg. Sailor requested him to help. Goldsmith was not in a favor of helping him, but the man in black stopped. He said that he only wanted to find out whether the sailor was really a beggar or a cheat. He inquired of the sailor how he lost his leg. The sailor replied in an angry tone that he lost his leg while he was fighting to defend those who did not do anything at home. This silenced the man in black. He began to think of some way to help the sailor because he thought that sailor was actually a soldier. He saw that the sailor had a bundle of matches. He asked him whether he would sell them for 1 shilling. The price was very high. The sailor was surprised. He presented the whole bundle, saying, "Here, master, take all my cargo and a blessing into the bargain." The man in black gave him the shilling and took the bundle of matches and continued the journey. The man in black wanted to show that in bargain he had not shown any undue kindness. He told our author Goldsmith that the sailor must have stolen these matches, for otherwise he could not have sold them for half the price. He told him about the advantages of lighting a candle with a matchstick instead of lighting it by fire. When he was thus busy recounting the usefulness of matches and telling about his parsimony, he saw a poor woman in rags. चित्रों में the sight of the poor woman melted the heart of Goldsmith's friend, this man in black. He forgot his conversation with Goldsmith and tried to help the lady. So he put his hand into the pocket, but he had no money left in the pocket. He had given all the money he had to the first two beggars. He felt great agony in his heart. The misery painted in the woman's face was not half so strongly expressed as the agony in his face. This is the line that Oliver Goldsmith has written for this Man in Black कि उसके चेहरे पे जो दर्द था वो दर्द उस बूढ़ी औरत के दर्द से कहीं ज़्यादा था। किस बात के लिए? कि वो उसकी मदद करने में उस वक्त हेल्पलेस था। He continued to search for money, but in vain. Having nothing else to give, he put into her hands the matches that he had bought from the sailor for 1 shilling. And in this manner, Goldsmith has tried to give you a character portrayal that people are very helpful and they are very rare and they are always there, although they do not show. And this one is a very particular kind of, you can say, example, an ideal, that whenever you find an opportunity, you must do something. We have started in our college education a program which is called Anandam. So what is Anandam? Anandam is actually giving joy, giving something to others that you can. And this is manifest in this essay, Men in Black. This should be the spirit of giving, and this will definitely give you Anandam. Thank you very much. That's all for today.